Welcome to Smart Kitchen channel, where we explore the latest advancements in home automation technology. Today, we're delving into the world of robot vacuum and mop combos, specifically examining the top 5 contenders in the Canadian market for 2023 and 2024. These intelligent machines have revolutionized home cleaning, offering convenience and efficiency for busy individuals and families. They seamlessly combine vacuuming and mopping capabilities, tackling both dirt and grime with remarkable precision. Number 1. Roborock S8 Pro Ultra Robot Vacuum and Mop Ultimate Convenient All-in-One Dock. The Roborock S8 Pro Ultra stands out as the pinnacle of robot vacuum and mop technology. Its exceptional suction power of 6,000 pascals effortlessly removes even the most stubborn dirt and debris. The self-washing mop system elevates convenience, automatically cleaning and drying itself, eliminating the need for manual intervention. With its advanced VibraRise technology, the Roborock S8 Pro Ultra intelligently lifts the mop when transitioning from hard floors to carpets, preventing carpet wetting and ensuring optimal cleaning across different floor types. This feature, coupled with its precise mapping capabilities, allows the robot to create detailed maps of your home, ensuring systematic and efficient cleaning. Furthermore, the Roborock S8 Pro Ultra boasts a self-emptying base that can hold up to 7 weeks of dirt, minimizing the need for frequent emptying. This feature, along with its auto-refill water tank, contributes to the robot's exceptional hands-off operation. Number 2. Ecovacs Debit X2 Omni Robot Vacuum and Mop, 8,000 pascals suction, Omni Station with hot water mop washing. The Ecovacs Debit X2 Omni is another exceptional choice, boasting a powerful suction of 8,000 pascals and an innovative 15 mm auto mop lift. This feature intelligently avoids carpets while mopping, ensuring optimal cleaning across different floor types. Additionally, the self-emptying base provides exceptional hands-off operation, holding up to 60 days of dirt, minimizing the need for frequent emptying. The Ecovacs Debit X2 Omni also features hot water mop washing, delivering a deeper clean than traditional mopping. The hot water effectively dislodges dirt and grime, leaving your floors sparkling clean. The robot's Omni Station also incorporates hot air drying, ensuring that the mops are thoroughly dried after each cleaning session, preventing mold and mildew growth. Number 3. DreamTech L10S Ultra Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo with Auto Cleaning and Drying. The DreamTech L10S Ultra strikes a perfect balance between performance and value. Its impressive suction power of 5,300 pascals effectively tackles dirt and debris. The self-refilling and self-emptying base streamlines operation, lasting up to 60 days, reducing the hassle of manual maintenance. AI navigation further enhances its efficiency, allowing the robot to map your home and clean in a systematic manner. The DreamTech L10S Ultra also features dual reactive force technology, which automatically adjusts suction power based on the floor type. This feature ensures that the robot delivers optimal cleaning performance, whether on hard floors or carpets. The robot's precision vision navigation system further enhances its obstacle avoidance capabilities, enabling it to navigate around furniture and other obstacles with precision. Number 4. Dream L20 Ultra Robot Vacuum and Mop with Mop Extend. The Dream L20 Ultra caters to budget-conscious consumers without compromising on performance. Its powerful suction of 7,000 pascals ensures thorough cleaning. The self-emptying base holds up to 45 days of dirt, reducing the frequency of emptying. AI obstacle avoidance technology further enhances its functionality, enabling it to navigate around furniture and other obstacles with precision. The Dream L20 Ultra also features an innovative mop extend function, which extends the mop pad to clean hard-to-reach areas, such as under furniture and along baseboards. This feature ensures comprehensive cleaning, even in the most challenging spots. The robot's multi-map management system allows you to create and save multiple maps of your home, enabling customized cleaning for different floors or areas. Number 5. Narwal Freo Robot Mop and Vacuum Combo with Auto Mop Washing and Drying. The Narwal Freo stands out for its comprehensive feature set. Its suction power of 3,000 pascals effectively tackles dirt and debris. The self-washing and drying mop system ensures optimal cleaning performance. The Auto Add Cleaner feature automatically replenishes cleaning solution to the water tank, maintaining consistent cleaning power. The Narwal Freo's innovative mop design allows for self-washing and drying, eliminating the need for manual intervention. The mop is automatically rinsed, scrubbed, and dried, ensuring that it remains clean and effective. The robot's LCD display provides real-time information about the cleaning process, including the cleaning status, remaining battery life, and error messages. These 5 robot vacuum and mop combos represent the pinnacle of innovation in home cleaning technology. They offer a range of features to suit diverse needs and budgets, from the advanced self-washing and drying systems of the Roborock S8 Pro Ultra and Ecovacs Debit X2 Omni to the budget-friendly performance of the Dream L20 Ultra. Regardless of your specific requirements, there's a robot vacuum and mop combo that can transform your home cleaning routine, providing you with more time and energy to focus on the things that matter most. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more robot vacuum and mop combo related content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.